Hello, welcome to the channel The Frustrated Programmer. Actually, this is the very first video of our channel. We are going to uh, make a tutorial series about desktop application development with MFC library. Actually, we mainly use MFC library and C++ programming languages. Now the question is, what is MFC? If we abbreviate it, then it stands for the Microsoft Foundation class. Basically, this library is made by Microsoft. So, according to Microsoft, it is an object-oriented wrapper, has more functionality and over mass than Windows 32 and COM APIs. And also they say that we can develop more complex user interface with multiple controls using MFC. Actually, there are a lot of languages and framework are for desktop application development. Then why we use MFC? Uh, Actually, it uses very core languages like C++. That's why it is it has more high performance and high efficiency than other languages and other frameworks. Also, there are very less resources in online for desktop application development using MFC. That's why we decided to make series of desktop application development using MFC and C++. Basically, we use Visual Studio 2017, C++ languages and MFC library for desktop application development. Please stay with us. Hopefully in the next video we will discuss about the installation process of Visual Studio and integration process of MFC library, and we will create a project using MFC. So please hit the subscribe button and stay with us. Thank you.